Welcome back. Many AWS certification exams are designed for AWS developers with hands-on experience working with AWS. That being said, you will need an AWS account in order to have working experience with AWS services. Let's go to aws.amazon.com and click on Create an AWS account. This will take you to the sign-up page. Here, enter your email address. Please make sure you provide the correct email address. This will become your user ID. Enter the password and re-enter the password. Provide the AWS account name. This will be used on AWS billing. You can change it later on. Click on Continue. Now on this page it asks if this account is for business or a personal account. I will select a personal as I'm setting it for personal use. I would select business if I created an AWS account for my organization. Here I will enter details, full name, phone number, and address. Then I will check the customer agreement checkbox. You can read the details before checking the checkbox. Then I will click on the Continue button on this page. I will enter billing information and then click on Verify and Continue. This will take you to the page where it asks for a mobile number or voice call for verification. I will check text message options, so I need to enter the phone number in CAPTCHA, which would help identify if the bot is trying to create an account, and then click Send a Message. On the next page, I will enter the code I got on my mobile. Okay, it's verified. Now, this page asks which type of support plan you want. Primarily for learning or trying out services for preparing for certification exams, the basic support option is sufficient as it is free. In the basic support plan, you can leverage AWS documentation to get help if you get stuck. In my experience, the basic support is fine for learning or preparing for certification exams. The developer support option you need if you need to contact someone in AWS to get support to help solve your AWS issues. Essentially, you create a support ticket in this option, and the AWS support team will handle your ticket. The business one is used by businesses using AWS to get help on their AWS issues. Your account is set up, and you can log into the AWS Management Console now.